Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Alright, so let's begin. So, to reboot this device, first we need to open up the power menu. It is really simple, and let me show you how to do it. So, to open it up, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until it will launch. So, simply hold, just like that. Now we are in the power menu. And all you need to do now to reboot your device is to tap on this green button, restart. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me do it once more. Tap on restart, now tap again. And now, as you can see, the screen went black. And now all we need to do is to simply wait until our device will be turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot is good for your device performance, because during that process you basically close the apps that are running in the background. You also delete some of the background processes, and the RAM gets freed up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.